gaming has definitely grown in popularity over the years, and when it comes to console games, PC games, and hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to do a Fortnite the movie official fake trailer sneak peek, as well as some of the best doTERRA products to use as a gamer. And this is really important if you love Fortnite the game, or if you know somebody that does, or if you have kids, and because this is kind of the craze right now. And for those who don't know about Fortnite, Fortnite is a co-op sandbox survival game developed by Epic Games, and people can fly around and destruct things and create things, and it's a really cool game and has gained a ton of popularity. Lots of other YouTube videos on it. But let's talk about some of the natural alternatives to some of the candy out there, because when you're gaming, your throat might get a little hoarse, right? You little that's a really bad sounding horse sound. But anyways, that. And so the On Guard throat drops are going to be very helpful. So the essential oils in here are wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cassia, and myrrh. They also have a nice, that kind of cinnamony flavor, and it's really good. It supports your immune system as well. It's a great candy replacement, and it also helps your health. Double bonus right there. Another healthy candy alternative while you're gaming. You kind of want to chew on something that's not, chips or, other stuff that's going to rot your teeth. Hey, Slim and Sassy gum. These are amazing. So these help support healthy weight, as well as, it's a chewing gum, and it tastes really great, and it has 1 drop of the Slim and Sassy oil blend in it. And the Slim and Sassy oil blend contains grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, cinnamon, and amazingness. Okay, and that's a really good solution for you as well. And then lastly, the candy alternative for all your gaming endeavors, really, is the PB Assist Junior. And you're like, what is this? So it comes with these little sachets of probiotics, and they're very sweet. It almost reminds me of like pixy stix, if you remember that. But yeah, it doesn't have all the synthetic or toxic, bad for you ingredients. Really good, and supports digestion, healthy digestion at that, and it tastes great. So those 3 options are going to be great for gamers. They're going to be great for people who know gamers, and they're going to be great for your kids if you have any that like to play games as well. It could be video games, it could be Fortnite, it could be anything really. Alright, so now we're going to get into the sneak peek of the official fake trailer by Nigahiga, and then we're going to go from there. Alright, here we go.
Everything we've done, all the sacrifices, the lives lost, the materials, it all comes down to this. I know that I may have let you all down in the past. Well, not this time. Feels like it's been years since the war began.
Guys?
Uh-oh, this doesn't look good.
Barely remember our days in Shifty Shafts, Greasy Grove, all that time we spent on...
Dude, it's been 7 minutes. We just started.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
We didn't even go to Greasy Grove.
Yeah, why do you always get so weird when we play this?
That's what separates me from the average player.
What are you doing?
Get down!
This is the kind of mindset you need if you want to make it to the top of the Royale.
Seriously, there's a team out there.
He might want to pay attention, because there's a guy with the,
Just crouch.
See, this might seem like some kind of game to you 3.
Whatever. If he gets knocked down, I get a scar.
But to me, in my mind,
I have a pistol. You have a rifle.
The best players get the best guns.
Fortnite is a way of lasting.
As you can see, the Fortnite movie hasn't come out just yet, but Nigahiga provided a great way and a vision for what it could look like in a more comical and funny way, as he usually does. He's got an awesome channel. I'll definitely have his link in the description below, so you can go check that out. He's been around, he's one of the YouTube OGs, if you want to call it that. He's been around for, 10 plus years, and so he's been doing his thing. I've been following him ever since I can remember. And speaking of other YouTube channels, there's lots of other ones out there, and specifically when it comes to gaming, you're going to want to make sure to check out Lone Purple Nix and their YouTube channel for more fun gaming videos. These include such games as Minecraft, Battlefield 4, Call of Duty, and Fortnite, which was just featured in this video as well. And I included the links in the description to subscribe to their channel as well and learn more. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can get you learn on about essential oils, about what product can help you as a gamer or if you know a gamer, as well as some other channels that can expand your mind on what's possible in the gaming realm, because let me tell you, gaming has definitely grown in popularity over the years, and when it comes to console games, PC games, and phone games. That's right. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.